Are you looking for the best dehumidifiers for basements? In this video we will look at some of the best dehumidifiers for basements on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Acare Dehumidifier Moisture Absorbers. Our dehumidifiers for bathroom is suitable for use in smaller spaces, 1800 cubic feet/150 square feet, and can be placed in bathrooms, bedroom, closet, kitchen, office, RV, storeroom, etc. It can help remove the moisture effectively, keep the environment dry and comfortable, giving you a great experience after using this mini dehumidifier for home. Acare Home Dehumidifier help reduces bad smells that can accompany clammy air, stuffy feeling in your home. Meanwhile, it can reduce irritation to your skin and your respiratory system, allowing you to breathe easier and feel comfortable in your home. Our mini dehumidifier can help to prevent the peeling of wallpaper, protecting home electronics and music equipment, preserving documents, and keeping sofas, chairs, and curtains from moisture. A less humid environment in your home means clothing will dry faster, bread and cereal will remain fresh longer without getting stale. Besides, our dehumidifier for bedroom does indeed play an important role in improving your indoor air quality. 2019 upgrade design. Strong dehumidifier ever. Small and compact dehumidifier with 32-ounce, 900 ml capacity tank extracts up to 10 ounces, 300 ml, 86 F,80% RH, of moisture daily in enclosed and small rooms and spaces. Number 2. Air Dehumidifier Portable Mute Moisture. A compact dehumidifier designed to improve air quality and maintain optimal humidity levels in small spaces. Whether it's your bedroom, bathroom, or office, the perfect solution to combat excessive moisture. With its efficient performance and convenient features, it's the ultimate dehumidifier for small-scale use. Is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to place and move around in different areas of your home or office. Its sleek design ensures it can fit seamlessly into any space without occupying much room. Despite its small size, packs a punch when it comes to dehumidification. With its advanced technology, it can efficiently remove excess moisture from the air, preventing mold, mildew, and musty odors. Enjoy a comfortable and healthy living environment. The dehumidifier has colorful atmosphere lights to make the product more artistic while dehumidifying. The intuitive interface allows you to set desired humidity levels and adjust fan speeds effortlessly. Additionally, the removable water tank and easy access filter make maintenance a breeze. Number 3. Portable Dehumidifier Air Purifier. Portable dehumidifiers can quickly dehumidify, effectively prevent odor, mildew and bacteria growth caused by excessive humidity, giving you a more comfortable living environment. Large area and air outlet, large contact area, improved dehumidification efficiency, efficiently drive away moisture, and protect you from wet weather. The compact and lightweight body is easy to move, the one-button operation is simple and fast, even the elderly can use it. Suitable for many occasions, such as bedroom, cloakroom, bathroom, study, storage room, basement, etc. Number 4. VEVOR Commercial Dehumidifier. VEVOR Commercial Dehumidifier can remove 125 pints at saturation, 60 pints per day at AHAM. The airflow intensity is 210 CFM, which can efficiently dehumidify up to 1,300 square feet. Suitable for use in home living rooms, basements, crawl spaces, laundry rooms, garages, storage rooms, and more. This high-quality dehumidifier uses leading brand compressors and copper tube condensers, which are corrosion-resistant and leak-proof. When a defrost signal is detected, an automatic defrost cycle is run to avoid frost buildup and related problems. CSA safety certification ensures product performance and safety. VEVOR Dehumidifier feature LCD display for easy settings adjustment, including a 24-hour timer and memory function. Offers automatic dehumidification, continuous high-power dehumidification, and sleep mode. 3-speed options and customizable humidity settings for user convenience. Securely install the product using screws for the unit body and the air outlet. 4 bottom pads are included for stability. Connect a hose or place the dehumidifier over a floor drain for hassle-free setup. Simple installation that can be done by one person. This dehumidifier was designed with the user in mind, with a smaller size, compact design and sturdy handle that can be easily and safely transported from one job site to another, or even from downstairs to upstairs. With it you can easily maintain a healthy 45 to 55% humidity range. Number 5. Electric Air Dehumidifier. This portable air purifier is small in size and light in weight, which can be easily carried anywhere. It is very suitable for home, office, gym, etc. The dehumidifier has a large capacity, which can be used to absorb moisture and keep the air fresh for a long time. The dehumidifier has a built-in power cord, which can save energy and is easy to operate. It does not require electricity, so you don't have to worry about water leakage during use.